Here comes Mike.
Okay, thank you.
On Monday, March 2nd, custodian Mr. Miller will be officially retiring after 45 years on the job and 54 years since graduating from right here at Boyertown Area Senior High.
In 1966, I graduated, but it was only the old three-story building, 600 and 700 wing, which is right now the 500 and 600 wing. I went through about 3 or 4 constructions of the building, and it's grown to an immense size.
However, after graduating, life would take him on some detours before leading him back home to Boyertown.
I worked at the Boyertown Body Works for about 2 years, and I was drafted into the Marine Corps, and then I was in the service in the Marine Corps for 2 years. Then when I came out, I went back to the Boyertown Body Works, worked there for another 5 years, and then got laid off. We just got married, my wife and I, in 74. Right after we got married, I got laid off. I was laid off for 6 months, and I kept coming to the school, putting my name in every week. Finally, they said, "We know you want a job," and then they said, "Okay, we'll hire."
After earning the job with the district, he would still have to work his way up to the high school.
August 75, I started back at the Washington Elementary School. I worked between the Ed Center for 4 hours, Washington Elementary for 4. I worked from 4:30 to 1 o'clock in the morning. Then after I was there a year, an opening came up here at the high school, at senior high, second shift.
After a hard-earned 45-year career, he's still got some work to do.
My wife said she does have a maintenance list for me. Painting, doing some repair work around the house.
Besides the maintenance list, Mr. Miller wants to spend his time helping friends from their local chapel.
I think the biggest thing my wife and I want to do is help them to get to their appointments and stuff like that, because a lot of them are kind of handicapped now since they're old and stuff. But that's what we want to do and want to help them out.
On February 12th, teachers and staff surprised Mr. Miller with a retirement celebration, demonstrating Boyertown's collective appreciation for all he's done.
Yes, it was necessary. You've been here 44 plus years. They like you.
In response to all the appreciation from his peers, he had nothing short of the utmost gratitude in return.
I just want to thank you all. You made my life worthwhile working here, and it meant a lot to me. My wife was really going through a lot of difficult situations. They were there to help us, and you can't understand that feeling until you go through it. And the staff and the teachers and everybody here have been terrific. Just their love and their friendship. It's the best gift that I could ever give.
So if you see him around, be sure to thank him for all he's done for us. On behalf of all of Boyertown, thank you for all the selfless work you've done, Mr. Miller, and we wish you the best of luck in retirement. Reporting for Bash TV News, PJ Riddell.